Hello darlings, my name is Nikima and we are SpainHomes. Today I am in the beautiful town of Los Alcazares, overlooking La Serena Gulf. This is a beautiful area located on the Costa Calida in the region of Murcia. Today I'm going to be showing you a newly built residential which comprises of beautiful villas and also apartments. I'll be showing you a show home today, and the actual plot of these show homes are from 312 square meters. The property itself is 108 square meters. It offers 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, is on a single story with the option of either a solarium or a basement. So without further ado, let's get on with the tour. Hello. So as I come onto the grounds, just in front of me is the main entrance to the front door, but I'm going to show you the grounds of the gardens and the terraces. So along this pathway, you will find that that's your pedestrian entrance, and then this would be your electric gate that would automatically open and allow your vehicle easy entry onto your roofed car parking space. Now, taking you along the path some more, I'm now going to take you to where you would experience outdoor Mediterranean life right here in your home. So, this is the outdoor terrace. As you can see that it's rather spacious, perfect for outdoor lounging or dining. As you can see, it overlooks your swimming pool. This is an interesting swimming pool. It gives you an L shape, but still gives you plenty of space. You have steps that lead down, and you also have a deep end and a shallow end. I do like the fact that they've gone for a minimal maintenance garden. They have here a relaxation zone with artificial lawn, and they also have lower down a chill out. Hello. So as I come in through the front door, I'm immediately met with a bright, light, inviting, contemporary and coastal beachy living space. As I'm walking in, I am entering the heart of the home, which comprises of the open plan living room, dining room and kitchen. The space is 58 square meters and the ceiling height throughout the home is 2.9 meters. Here I am stood close to the kitchen, and with the kitchen you will find that it has a square central island. On one side of the central island you have your kitchen sink, cabinets here. You also have your dishwasher. All of the appliances are Bosch. And then over the way you will find that there is also a breakfast bar space for 2. And you also have a great cupboard sectional here that gives you extra storage underneath. Continuing through the kitchen, you have your cabinetry also above and below. Here you will find is your cooking hob with your extractor. You have a continuation of storage. You also have your microwave and your oven. And here your hidden refrigerator and freezer. Over the way from the kitchen, you also have here a doorway that opens up to where you would have the boiler and also the washing machine. I do like the clever use of the cabinetry in this house as it does continue. So now we come into the seamless flow of the dining space. Here we have a dining table which is set to dine for. And what I really love about the dining space as it connects to the living space is that you have these really large windows that let in not just plenty of light, but also excellent views of the surrounding Serena Gulf, the landscape, and well, just immense sunshine. On this side of the living space, you also have patio doors that lead out onto your terrace and your swimming pool. So taking you from the living space, I'm going to take you along the hall, and to my left you will find is the guest bathroom, which is fully equipped. Next to that you have the first bedroom. This bedroom is 11 square meters. It has the same coastal type of interior. On one side you have patio doors that lead out into the gardens, and then on the other side you also have your integrated wardrobes. Directly opposite you also then have a bedroom that is identical, giving you great interior tone here with the coastal feel again. You also have patio doors on one side that give you access to the garden, as well as integrated wardrobes. Now I'm going to take you into the primary suite. This expansive space is 27 square meters, and you will find that it interconnects not only the bedroom but also the dressing closet as you enter and your ensuite bathroom. This is an interesting one where you have your shower right in the middle here. You also have an ensuite which is designed for his and her, or her and her, or his and his. And then you also have a separate doorway there that leads to the toilet. I do like the way that they have integrated the integrated wardrobes to still give you that sense of space and feel. But can I just say, with the ceiling height, these wardrobes are very high, providing you with plenty of storage options. Within walking distance from the villa that we were just at before, you can land on this beautiful beach. Here we are coming towards the end of January, and as you can see, we are overlooking the spectacular Mar Menor. This gorgeous beach has chiringuitos on one side, a lovely promenade that you can enjoy cycling on or walking on. And as you can see, the tranquility that we're experiencing, as well as the warm climate, is just unforgettable. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is €400 per year, the community fee is €40 per month, and the refuse is €150 per year. This is a stunning property if you like minimal fuss, low maintenance and close proximity to everything. It has the specifications for modern day-to-day comfort like electric shutters, LED lighting, air conditioning and so much more. What's wonderful about this property as well is that it's walking distance to all of your local amenities. You will find that Corvera Airport is just 25 minutes away in the car. Alicante Airport is 55 minutes away in the car. You have great proximity to other cities like Cartagena and Murcia itself. And well, it's fantastic because you get to live right here in a golf course and not pay any additional fees. Just over the way, you can look at golfers enjoying the best life, but also if you fancy doing the same, you can also join in too. So if you like the property and the listing and you'd like to know more, please go to our website, which is SpainHomes.estate. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. My name's Nikima. It was lovely to see you, and we'll see you next time. Hasta pronto.